Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your BVN with Axis Bank. So let's just dive in. You can do it by using the USSD code. Dial *565*0# on the phone number linked to your Axis Bank account and follow the instructions. Or you can use the mobile app to do it. Open the Axis Bank app on your phone and log into your account by entering your credentials. Now tap on your profile icon at the top of the screen, then click on Show Details below your profile photo. Your bank details, including your BVN, will be displayed on the screen. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.